Every art creation reflects the mind of its artist. When you stand before a masterpiece that moves you, you can't help but wonder, what kind of mind created this? How does this artist think? So when I look at nature, yes, I'm amazed by its design and beauty, but I marvel even more at the mind behind it. I look at nature's patterns and think, what kind of intelligence could craft something so complete? And if everything can be this detailed, this balanced, this alive, then that tells me a lot about the one who made it. And at the end of each observation, you can't help but confess that God is great.